Listen to this. I am a house officer that was posted to Ucth to begin my housemanship. This person is a medical doctor. I got to Calabar on Sunday. I met with others that also travel from distant locations to resume house job duties. For context, I base in Lagos. Although I am from the east, on Monday we went to the administrative building to meet with the CMD and also to begin our clearance and orientation. To my surprise, he rejected us, 17 of us. He told us he has petitioned the list of housing officers sent to the facility to MDCN, and until MDCN replies, he's not clearing us. He gives his reasons, some of which are: number one, why is it that 15 of 17 housemanship officers are from one tribe, being Igbo? Why are there no cross rivers in the list of posted officers from MDCN? They told MDCN they have 50 slots. Why are they sending 17 Igbo people to this place? And why are they not being sent to the southeast? Honestly, sir, the man continued, I was shocked. He went on to talk about how it's becoming a normal thing, how we Igbos are coming to saturate the whole place. He accused us of paying to get the placements. He said he has evidence, but he failed to show us any evidence. The whole thing is just frustrating. We don't even have accommodation as we speak. Most of us sleep on the floor in the room of older house officers in the facility. We just wrapper on the floor. These house officers go ahead to tell us how is a regular thing there. In some cases, he will approve clearance for the housing officers from other tribe, then reject the ones from Igbo, telling them, go to southeast, there is no space here. One person even got in touch with the CMD of their own university teaching hospital where they graduated. He spoke to him and he said that the list would be cancelled. He blatantly told the two non-Igbos that they are unfortunately caught up in this mess and nothing will be done. He told us to stop hanging around the premises and travel back home to southeast. Sir, I am honestly tired. I never for once thought I will face this level of tribalism in my life. National Association of Resident Doctors, UCTH, and NMA Cross River branch reached out to him. Still, he was adamant. All these are factors that ignite the Japa mentality amongst healthcare workers in Nigeria. These are housemanship officers from Southeast, prospective medical doctors, posted to UCTH, it's a university or something like that in Calabar. And they were rejected because they are Igbos. So, because I'm also making this video based on what Soludo is saying, that the war has ended and that we need to recruit into the army. You have seen that they're discriminating against us in every part of Nigeria. This one has nothing to do with Amio. This one is medical doctors that want to go and do their medical students that want to go and do their housemanship in Calabar. They are rejecting them. You see? And I want to use this opportunity to speak to our Igbo billionaires. Just a few days ago, Obi Kubana opened up, he launched his new estate in Asaba, which is a good development. But we are also requesting that you guys should do your investment in other areas apart from building hotels, building real estate. You can go into research institutes. And this is there is this billionaire, this Yoruba billionaire woman, Forunsho Alakija. She donated 34 billion naira medical research facility training hospital to Osun State University. Why is it that Igbo people cannot do something like this? 34 billion naira research institute. We have so many Igbo billionaires that can come together, join their forces together, financial resources together, and do something like this. If we have something like this in Southeast, what this our medical doctors experience will not happen. And I pray that people like Obi Kubana and the rest of them, Ateze, so many of them that are Igbo billionaires, I pray that maybe somehow somebody will show you put this video. Make una think am. It's not just building hotel, real estate in Lagos, in Abuja, in Asaba. Let us also do something in healthcare, do something in research, do something in information technology, in security. Invest your money in all these places. Bring your money together. Do something that Igbo land will remember you guys by. Because this guy's story, it is very pathetic. It is very, very disappointing. I don't know if that is the way they do. I don't know if they can actually still carry on with their housemanship. From the look of things and the way Nigeria runs, they may have to go back. And look at the question they're asking them. She's saying that they have bribed their way to this placement. Madam, let me tell you, Abi, Madam Noga, you see, Igbo people, we are highly, highly intelligent upstairs. Yes, we are highly intelligent when it comes to education. Even as I'm speaking to you now, I have a cousin that is not even up to 27 years old. She became a consultant in America, a cardiologist. When she passed her medical school in America, she was probably like 22. That is how brilliant we are. We get this thing, education. Go to the whole of United States. Igbo people are the ones in charge of healthcare in the United States. We are in charge of engineering, research, whatever you can think of, technology. Ask Trump. And that was one of the reasons why he couldn't stop Nigerians from getting a visa the last year when he was banning people. America will tell you that Igbo people, like apart from Nigerians, that Igbo, we are highly intelligent. So I personally can tell you that those guys, they work their asses for that state, for that placement. They didn't bribe anybody. And if you think that they bribe anybody, then you should also be in the exam hall. You are thinking they bribe people because it's not Calabar people. But if it's your own people, you not go think say they bribe person. You see the bigotry against Igbo people that we are talking about. So please, let us try to love each other. Okay? All this hate. This is exactly what the elite wants you guys to be doing, to be fighting against each other. I told you, the opium that the elite is giving to Nigerians is two: ethnicity and religion. Give it to them every day. They are fighting each other on social media. They just played the, what is it called? The AFCON semi-final. Look at what happened. Chukwu lost the ball. He couldn't score the penalty. The next day, one useless Hausa guy, Saki, on Twitter, he said that that he did it he said that he did it deliberately in solidarity with Biafra. How the heck does football have anything to do with Biafra? But they want to turn it around so that people will start fighting Igbo people. So it doesn't do us any good. All I'm just saying is that our people need to start investing home. Things like this is what should always ring Igbo people a bell in your heads. It is time to start investing back home. It is time to start doing things massively in our Igbo. All our billionaires, bring your resources together and start doing a lot of things. Everything you name, it must not be something that will favor you. Look at what a woman did. Alakija, she's a billionaire in dollars. I know that woman. That was the time I posted her story about 2 years ago. Okay, she spent 34 billion to build that university, a research institute that will be helpful for everybody in that region, in Yoruba land. Which one are we doing? Just building hotels? Let us do something like this. You come to Enugu, you come to Ebonyi, you come to Anambra, you come to Imo. Experts of land. Governor will give you land, hectares of land for you guys to build whatever you want to build there. And if we have something like this, a research health institute like this, then our medical students and also nursing students, anything health, whatever, they don't need to go to any part of Nigeria. They'll just have to do their placements back home. And when they finish, they'll be working there. And guys, please let me know what you think about it.